How to fix not receiving phone calls issues on iPhone 15, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. If you are not receiving phone calls, then here is the full step-by-step fix guide to solve this issue. First of all, check signal and coverage. Look at the signal bars at the top right, or try moving to an open area or location with better reception. Then open the Settings app. All you have to do is toggle on the airplane mode and toggle it off. You can also use the control center to do so. Now once done so, again scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see apps option available. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on the apps, scroll down and tap on the phone option available there. Inside phone, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the blocked contacts option available there. Make sure the person trying to call is not on that list. Now, if it is in that list, then simply unblock that caller. Once done so, go back to the settings again, and all you have to do is scroll down or scroll up and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Once you tap on it, tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. This resets cellular, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. No personal data will be deleted. If none of these work, then your service might be suspended or experiencing a network outage. Make sure your plan is active and supports voice calls. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.